Well, the mother of so-called affluenza teen Ethan Couch is just days away from appearing in Tarrant County Court on Monday, stemming from charges she was indicted on just last month. Tanya Couch is charged with hindering apprehension and money laundering after allegedly helping her son escape to Mexico late last year after video surfaced that appeared to show him playing beer pong, a violation of his probation for a drunk driving crash that killed 4 people when he was 16. So how strong is the case against Tanya Couch, and what kind of approach will her defense attorneys take in a case that has attracted national attention? Joining me this morning is defense attorney Loretta. And Loretta, good morning, and thank you so much for being up with us.
Good morning, Monica. Thank you for having me on.
Oh, absolutely. So just how strong is the case against Tanya Couch? I mean, this has been a case that's garnered national attention, and really a lot of focus has been on her and her son.
This is a slam dunk case for the prosecution. With hindering apprehension, you could do as little as hiding someone in a closet.
Wow.
And she certainly did a lot more than that whenever she paid for her son to flee to Mexico to evade authorities.
And so what kind of defense, you're a defense attorney yourself, what kind of defense can you see her attorneys making to try and, you say this is a slam dunk case, but her attorneys might not see it that way?
Right. Well, first I would file a motion to change venues. Here in DFW, we were all deeply affected for this case. I mean, 4 innocent people lost their lives and 9 people were injured. We all feel for the victims. And also, I would say something like, she's not a danger to society, except for, she's obviously a danger to her son. And so typically these cases get probation. However, I think she's looking at jail time.
Interesting. And some folks or even her defense might say, well, she was just trying to protect her son. What would you say to that? Is that going to be part of what the defense will say?
Right. I mean, we all love our children and we all want to protect our children. However, that doesn't give you a right to commit crimes here. Now, these are serious offenses. They're third-degree felonies, each carrying a sentence of up to 10 years in jail.
Sure. And I want to ask you, when the case does go to trial, how likely is it that Ethan would be called to testify against his own mom?
It's very likely. He was a witness in this case. So they could definitely call him.
And what about his dad? Because I know his dad has talked with police about what happened. Tanya Couch allegedly taking $30,000 out of a bank account, fleeing with her son to Mexico, and then being caught there late last year. And police did question Ethan Couch's dad, who has his own legal troubles. How likely is it that he'll testify?
It's very likely because she called him before they left to Mexico. He could definitely be a witness to that and testify to her intent.
Sure. And when you say that the defense might ask for a venue change out of DFW, are we looking at even not just a county change to another county, but just out of North Texas completely? Do you think the defense will ask for that?
Well, typically in Texas, it's change of venue motions are moved into contiguous counties, so it's very unlikely that'll be moved out of the state.
Okay, and this case has certainly gotten national attention, so it could be argued that anywhere the case is moved, people will know about it.
You can't try the case in the South Pole.
Right, exactly. Thank you so much for being with us and giving us a look ahead. Thank you. One newborn just couldn't wait to see the world. Still ahead this hour, a mother reunites with the Dallas police officer who delivered her baby on the side of the interstate.